Today, I'm going to see if I can reset my iPhone passcode without a computer. Let's find out if it's really possible. Forgetting your iPhone passcode can be super frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. We've all been there. You set a passcode, but then you forget it, and suddenly you're locked out of your own phone. It's like, what do you even do? The worst part is when you don't have a computer nearby to help you reset it. You're just walking around with a brick in your hand, unable to access your contacts, photos, or any of your apps. It's pretty much the worst feeling. We've all had those moments where we're like, man, I wish I could just reset this passcode without needing a computer. And honestly, it's not just about convenience. Sometimes, you just don't have access to a computer. So, you're stuck with your iPhone in hand. And you're like, how do I even get back into my phone? There are a few methods to reset your iPhone passcode directly from the device. One way is to use the Forgot Passcode option in the settings, but that usually requires a computer or another device to complete the process. Another option is to use iCloud's recovery feature, but that can be a bit tricky. You can also try using Siri to access certain features on your locked iPhone, but it's limited and not always reliable. There's also a way to erase your iPhone directly from the device, but that will delete all of your data. The simplest method to reset your passcode without a computer is to use the recovery mode directly on your iPhone. To do this, you'll need to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Then use the iPhone's built-in settings to reset the passcode. First, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Then slide it off. Next, connect to a Wi-Fi network and you'll see the Activate iPhone screen. From there, follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to reset your passcode in no time. It's actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. In recap, we've covered a few methods to reset your iPhone passcode without a computer. The key takeaway is that it's definitely possible, and it's not as hard as you might think. If you've ever had to reset your iPhone passcode, let me know in the comments below.